Are you guys wondering where the Find People Nearby feature is on Telegram? And if it's missing, how to fix it? Now, before I teach you guys how you can fix it and why it's not there, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So if you're wondering where the Find People Nearby feature is on Instagram, it has been dropped and it won't be coming back. Now this is because Telegram faced issues with bots and scammers. Now they are replacing it with businesses nearby feature, which deals with legitimate businesses nearby you, and this is to moderate Telegram. Now if you're wondering where Find People Nearby feature is missing and if you will be getting it back, the answer is no, and there is no fix for it. So yeah, that is all for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for the video. Bye bye.